Now we're going to go ahead and make a model of the green part. In this case, we can start a new sketch, click on this face. Then we're going to take our line tool, starting at the origin, go up 1.5, then click to the right 0.75, and click up 0.75, and click to the right 0.75, and click down to the axis, click, and back to the origin, click. Finish sketch, E for extrude, grab the arrow, begin to pull, set the value to 0.75, hit enter, then right click, sketch, 2-point rectangle, start at the origin, move up and to the right, 0.75, tab, 0.75, enter, finish sketch, extrude, click, pull, 0.75, enter. Go to modify, align, no, not align, appearance. Then this one is going to be green. We download the green. Then we'll go ahead and drop it on. Hit save. Green part. And that's the green piece.